Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever in the world you may be. Happy Saturday. Happy almost Mercury out of retrograde. Tomorrow, Mercury will station direct and begin to move forward in the weeks to come. Um, and that's a good thing. So I know it's kind of felt like things have been a little slow. Maybe things haven't been working. Now is a really great time to start to think about the plans that you want post Mercury retrograde to move forward with great things in your life. Okay. Um, so we have that to look forward to. I wanted to speak today about something that um, has been coming up that I've seen as a theme um, that maybe you guys are perceiving as well. Do you ever feel like, let me see if I can, let me see if I can get the best words to describe the energy here. Um, Before it's too late is what I hear. Get out before it's too late. Do you ever feel like you get into something, you get deep into something, whether that be a relationship, whether that be a business, a job, a this, a that. And there's that point in which you're like, yeah, this is not for me. Or you're like, yeah, this is not really aligned with my highest and best. And you go, but you know what? It's comfortable. It's safe. Let me just stay here. Let me just, you know, manage this energy here while I'm here, you know? And then 3 years down the road, 4 years down the road, you all of a sudden feel like it's too late to get out of that situation that you knew you probably should have gotten out of before, much earlier. All of a sudden, it feels too late. And that energy of resentment just builds inside of you, right? And it becomes so strong that you begin to feel trapped and you begin to feel like there may be no way out for you. And I want to bring this energy up because it's never too late to choose you. Okay. It's never too late for you to decide, you know what? I want to follow the lightness in my life. I want to have fun. I want to surround myself with people, places, and situations that are in a vibrational alignment with that, right? I want to be in an environment where my resources are best used, a place where my resources are best flourished, right? How many times have you gotten into a job or a situation where you are like, yeah, this is easy, it's whatever, but it's not really fulfilling to you? Do you have anything like that in your life right now? Is there anything in your life that is just kind of maintaining that is not fun for you anymore? Where you're not really extracting the energy of what it means to have all of you appreciated, all of you adored, all of you respected, all of your gifts and talents front and center. And you may be thinking, Daniel, does that really exist? You're the one that creates your reality. So if you don't believe that it exists, then it won't exist. But what if it did exist? What if there was that time and that space and that place where every single one of your amazing traits, your amazing qualities, your light, your beauty, your magic was appreciated, was respected, was adored, was celebrated, where you could also see that you could love and appreciate, celebrate, and adore other people too, right? So think about that today and think about what needs to change in your life to become more congruent with the inner you versus the you that you are living in your physical reality. Okay. Are you receiving what you're asking for? And if you go, not really, you need to really, really dig and think, okay, what am I asking for that is what's showing up for me? Right? Are you too afraid to step into your light, to step into your power, to acknowledge your magic. What if today was the day that all of that was done and that you made that the most important thing that you choose is you? Okay. So let's go ahead and begin the meditation today. It's funny because we always go into reasoning and justification, right? We go, oh yeah, this is such a great, valuable project, or there's so many great and wonderful and amazing things about this relationship. And we go into reasoning and justification for why we should stay where we are instead of moving, instead of changing. So all of those excuses today, let's just put them aside and focus on what it is that you want. Okay? So let's close our eyes, find ourselves in our heart. And from this space in the heart, let's just begin today by taking 3 deep breaths. In through the nose and out through the mouth. In through the nose and out through the mouth. In through the nose and out through the mouth. And now let's shift our awareness to the center of the earth. And as we shift our awareness to the center of the earth, let's imagine this beautiful energy swirling around in the center of the earth. And from this space in the center of the earth, let's imagine this energy scooping up fresh earth energy, coming up through the soles of our feet, through our ankles, our calves, our knees, and our thighs, and traveling up through all of our chakras, and popping up outside the top of our head and forming a beautiful ball of light. Now see yourself in this ball of light. Imagine this ball of light traveling up out of the space that you're in, higher and higher and higher and faster and faster and faster. Imagine that ball of light lifting you up out past Earth's atmosphere, out into outer space, through different planets, galaxies, the Milky Way, and higher and higher and higher beyond there, out into different layers of light. Some light, some dark, and through those layers out into a beautiful golden like light. And through the golden like light into the jelly like substance light. And through the jelly like substance light into a beautiful pink haze, which is the law of compassion. And through the law of compassion, you enter into the 7th plane of all that is, the plane of creation, of oneness, and of complete totality. Immediately, your ball of light dissolves into this beautiful energy, and you feel the connection, the collaboration, the contribution of all things, all atoms and molecules of existence, here and now in this space. And from here, we're going to ask for some downloads for our group today. As a reminder, all you have to do is say yes to receive them. So, would you like to know what it feels like to acknowledge what would be fun for you and to be present with honoring what would be fun for you? If you'd like that, say yes. And what if you could live your day-to-day life without obligation? And what if opportunity was the new obligation? So, what obligations are you choosing instead of the opportunities you could be creating? Everything that doesn't allow that, let's destroy and uncreate it. Would you like to know what it feels like, looks like, tastes like, smells like, sounds like, and is in every single cell of your body to trust that the opportunities that are here for you, that have been given to you to choose greater for yourself, If you'd like that, say yes. And so, would you like to know what it feels like to let go of obligations in your life? How about this? Would you like to know what it feels like, looks like, tastes like, smells like, sounds like, and is to transform obligations into opportunities? You might say, yeah, but Daniel, I have to pay the bills and I have to do this and I have to do that. What if it was that you get to do this? You get to pay the bills. You get to feed your kids breakfast every morning. You get to show up. See if that changes the energy of that which you are present with in your life. And sometimes, if it's too hard to see what the opportunity is, just ask. Just ask the creator, ask the universe, what opportunities are there here for me that I haven't seen yet, or that I'm unwilling to see, or that I can't see? And I'll be darned if the universe won't show you what those opportunities are. So everything that doesn't allow that, can we please just destroy it and create it? And would you like to know what it feels like, looks like, tastes like, smells like, sounds like, and is in every single cell of your body to acknowledge your alignment with your highest and best version of you? If you'd like that, say yes. So there's this energy coming up too today that I think that many of us think that in order for us to achieve something, in order for us to have money, make money, blah, 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 that we have to go outside of ourselves, right? We have to go find it, go find a job, go find the money, go find the partner, go find, go, work, 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 work. This is how we've been conditioned, right? So I'd like to shift it just a little bit. And what if all of that was actually going to come to you from the state of being present with yourself? What if your divine life partner, because you've already planted the seeds, you've launched the rockets of desire, and what if you just followed your knowing to put yourself into places and situations that were fun for you, where you actually vibrationally aligned with all of those things that you're asking for, the money, the relationship, the people, the friends? So would you like to know what it feels like to trust your inner guidance system, that you're worthy of being led in the highest and best and easiest way to those places with which you are willing to be seen, that you're able to be seen? If you'd like that, say yes. And what if money was chasing you? What if opportunity was chasing you, right? People will come to me and say, oh, Daniel, I'm always chasing after money. I'm chasing after money. I'm chasing after money, chasing after work. What if it was chasing after you? If you're chasing after it, you'll always be behind it, right? But what if it was looking for you? Would you keep running, or would you just stand still and say, hey, I'm right here? So for today, let's just say, hey, I'm right here to whatever it is that you're asking for that may be looking for you. So would you like to know what it feels like to remain calm, to be centered, to be grounded, to be present? If you'd like that, say yes. And would you like to know what it feels like, looks like, tastes like, smells like, sounds like, and is in every single cell of your body to trust your connection to the universe? I am one with the source is with me. No separation, no disconnection, just oneness. Like that, say yes. Great. So now let's shift our energy to those who require healing today. As we do so, let's just imagine them surrounded in the Creator's love and in the Creator's light. Imagine them happy, healthy, safe, protected. Okay. So for today, what I would like for each and every one of us to do is to imagine someone standing in front of you, someone that you love dearly, someone that you care about, somebody who you would like to contribute a healing to today. See them in front of you and just ask them. What can we what can we contribute to you today to make your life more joyous and beautiful? And now ask the Creator to come in and fill up their life with healing, unconditional light, and unconditional love. Imagine that energy pouring in through their crown chakra and filling up every single cell of their body with the Creator's unconditional love and the Creator's unconditional light. Be healthy, safe, protected. Now witness them in their day to day lives, activating this energy. See them completely healed. See them with the energy and the joie de vivre to live life. See the abundance flowing for them. Great. And last but not least, would you guys like to know that you are unconditional love and that you be unconditional love and that unconditional love is your birthright? Like that, say yes. Now let's take our palms, rub our palms together. Faster and faster and faster and faster and faster. Place your palms over your eyes. Your eyes are the windows to your soul. When you're ready, you can open up your eyes, allow that energy to come into your body, into your being. Place your hands on your heart. Congratulate yourself and thank yourself for being here, for showing up today, for being a part of this amazing, amazing, amazing meditation. Grateful for you all. Thank you for being here. We're here every single day, 8:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is the daily download. Thank you all. I look forward to seeing you same time, same place tomorrow. Goodbye, everyone. Bye, guys. Have a wonderful and amazing day. Love you all.